Hey guys, what's going on? Jonathan from Gonz Media Productions here, and today I'm going to show you how to take better real estate photos with one of these guys. How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. So you guys have probably been wondering for some time now how to take better photos with your iPhone or Android for that matter. And there is a way, and it will significantly improve the quality of your image. The trick is gonna be this little guy right here. This is a Todi 4K wide angle lens attachment for my iPhone. This is something I got off of Amazon for $30, and it's really gonna significantly improve the quality of your images. This is gonna help you a ton with listing photos, open house walkthroughs, or anything of that nature. More often than not, houses on the market can be really cramped and in some tight spaces, and can be really hard to get a nice wide angle. And it's not always effective to hire a photographer and spend hundreds of dollars on some photos. So I'm gonna show you how to use this thing to take better iPhone photos. Let's get into it. All right guys, so first off, here we are. We have this lovely bathroom. The first thing you're gonna wanna do in any space is to stage the space. We've got some ugly towels here, some stuff that doesn't belong on the counters, and I'm not quite loving those rugs down there. So step one, go ahead and clean up the space. Okay, cool. Now that we've got this space cleaned up, we got rid of these towels and we staged it somewhat, you're gonna wanna turn all the lights on. So we're gonna let as much light in here as possible. If there's any window shades, you wanna lift those up. Okay, beautiful. Now we have this wonderful bathroom here. It's got great lighting, a lot of natural light coming in, and it's really wide as opposed to most bathrooms on the market, I would say. We're gonna go ahead and pull out our iPhone. Okay, so now that we've got our iPhone here, as you can see, I'm not getting very much of the entire bathroom. You do, of course, want to hold your phone on its side. And I can go ahead and snap a photo there. I want to make sure that all my lines are lined up vertically. Just make sure all the walls look straight and not sideways like that. So I'll go ahead and snap this as I would regularly. This is typically what you would get from an agent who uses their iPhone. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is throw on the attachment that I showed you earlier, and we're gonna retake another photo of this bathroom. Okay, now we've got our attachment on there. Let's see how wide this iPhone can get now. So as we can see, we have much more field of view. Although this attachment can be a pain at times to get on correctly. As you can see towards the right of the screen, we do have some distortion and fringing is what they call it, where the color's not quite correct. But once you get that attachment on there properly, you get much more of the space, and you can go ahead and snap an image. And you can see before and after is a big difference. By attaching this on your phone, you're able to get much more field of view, and you can get all the tightness of one space into one single image. And the phone cameras nowadays are so powerful that the lighting on here is great as it is, but then you can go ahead and go into your edit. I like to just hit the top right for auto adjustments, and it will go ahead and adjust that for you. Now a potential buyer has a better sense of what this bathroom truly looks like with a simple iPhone. Let's go ahead and show you a few more examples. So here we have two images shot in the upright portrait mode side by side. The first is of this balcony. It's a really tight space, really cramped. But when we go ahead and add the attachment, you can see a lot more. You show the roof a lot more, of course, but you can also see both tables and get the real true field of view on this balcony. The same can be said for this living space here. When we show the before picture, the space looks really cramped and there's not a whole lot to show for. You can show, the seating area and the TV, but when we add the attachment, we can show that the space is actually much larger than it appears to be. There's obviously a mantle there and a fireplace, and we're able to capture much more of the home. So guys, if you're looking for a great way to take better real estate photos, this little guy is gonna be your lifesaver here. I'm gonna go ahead and attach a link to this down in the description box below. You can get it on Amazon for 30 bucks. and this thing is a lifesaver. You can add it for real estate photos, like I said, your open house walkthroughs or anything of that nature. It even works on the front side of the camera, so you can do a bigger selfie, a wider selfie. And yeah, this thing is a lifesaver. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them in a potential video. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.